Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little unboxing today. I am unboxing the Bargain Bead Box. I saw this on someone else's video and I feel really bad, you guys, because I would love to link that video and be like, check them out and see the cool thing they made with their Bargain Bead Box. But I didn't actually watch the video. I saw the thumbnail, read Bargain Bead Box, like subscription, and was like, what's that about? Then I jumped off into the internet and never returned. So I feel bad, but I'm sure if you search for Bargain Bead Box make, you'll find ideas on what to do with this stuff. But I was just so caught up in the idea of like there being a subscription of beads that I haven't tried and would love to try. So I was like, let me see. And I looked it up and it was relatively inexpensive considering how much they say that they give you. So we're gonna decide together if it's worth the price. It was like $22. I found it on Cratejoy. I'll link it below. I'm not like affiliated. This isn't sponsored. I was just like, let me find out if I like this and I want to keep getting it because I like beady crafty things, you know? And this might be a nice box to get for a little while. I don't think forever because I feel like you could definitely have too many beads and I don't have the best bead storage system. So this is going to become a mess until I get another little drawer thing. But in the meantime, I thought that this would be a fun thing to try. So we're trying it together. We're looking at it together. This might be the only one I get. We'll see how things go. But I'm excited. I also managed to subscribe to this the last day, like the close of like purchase before they start shipping, which was just like serendipitous. It all worked out spectacularly. So the first thing I'm going to say, guys, is that this is called Bargain Bead Box. You see how it says box here? This is a bag. And inside this bag is another bag. There is no box. So I already feel like I've been misled in a way. But I'm going to let it go. I'm not going to be that particularly petty about it. I'm just saying it's not a box. I should probably use bigger scissors, but I don't want to look for them today. I'm actually supposed to be doing other things like recording-wise, but we're doing this. I'm also holding these scissors like I've never held scissors before. I don't know why I'm doing it upside down. But whatchamacallit, but I haven't had breakfast yet. So this is my snack, my little treat before breakfast. I'm going to have breakfast and then I'm going to go do the other things. So yes, here we go. So see, definitely not a box. And then let's see what it says. The theme for this box is tropical heat. And then on the back is a list of like all the things. We'll look at that at the end. And then they give you like a coupon code. And then you can win a gift certificate. Because I guess they have like a regular website to buy more beads and stuff. If you make a creation and then tag them and do all the things. And then there's tutorials. That's actually pretty neat. But yeah, that's pretty cool. There's a lot of good infos there. So let's see. So this box is $22 and it's supposed to contain 15 or more different beads and findings and jewelry making sorts of things. So it comes in our organza bag, which is nice. So I'm going to save this tissue paper for crafty things. Also like this color pink. That's fun. So let's see what we got. Oh, the bags look like they're labeled too, which like doubly neat. How do I do this? Okay. Just pile of stuff. So look at that. First up, we have some Mountain Jade, which is dyed dolomite, brass faceted links, and they're normally retailed at $6.99. So that's pretty nice. We gotta get closer. Hold on. Okay, so now we're super close on my grungy mat, which is fine. I've been grunging it up lately. But look at how nice that is. I don't know if I want to take everything out of a little bag to show you because that we'd be here forever, but you see how nice it is. And I also like that they put how much it usually retails for. That's kind of nice to know. But these are really pretty. So yeah, looking forward to using those. Oh, I might have to take this. Oh, no, it's just folded. It's fine. This is crackle quartz dyed and oh my gosh, I can't read. Brass wire wrapped. Words are really hard. Brass wire wrapped link in citrine. So this is dyed quartz to look like citrine. And that's nice too. I like the wire wrapping. That's really pretty. And then we have some bead caps. Ooh, and they're little stars. You guys can see that. Those are really cute. That's really nice. I like little stars. Also, I'm looking at like the colors of everything here, and it's definitely hitting that tropical heat theme, so that's really nice. It's really cute. And then we have some 6mm carnelian beads, 14 inches of those. That's a really nice, that's a nice size of beads. These are really pretty. I really love carnelian. It's got a lot of like variation in color, from like red to orange and kind of yellowish. So that's really pretty. That's a fair amount of beads. So they normally go for $5.99. So that's pretty neat. So like, it's looking like we're gonna add up to over the amount I spent here already pretty quickly, and that's kind of nice too. And these are sparkly. They caught my eye. They have like a really pretty iridescence. So these are crystal faceted triangle beads in sunshine. 5 inches of those. That's really nice. I might have to actually make something with these after I do this unboxing. So these are really big ones. These are 10mm quartz brown beads in crimson. I'm going to assume that these are also dyed. I don't know if that's what this DH stands for, but quartz doesn't normally come in this kind of color. Like there's a strawberry quartz, but it doesn't look like this. But these are really pretty. These are like a corally pink. Like the string is definitely a hot pink, if that gives you like an idea of the color range that we're looking here. But these are really pretty too. And then this is a chain. Brass oval jewelry chain. Yep. I will say, as a person who is allergic to all sorts of metals, I'm not super thrilled about it being brass, but like, I'm just not going to wear it. It's fine. It's not for me. I'll use it for other junk journal-y things. It'll make nice, like, dangly, charmy stuff. And then I have to wash my fingers after. That's what happens every time I make, like, bead stuff. I have to go wash my hands before I touch my face, because then I'll break out. It's too much information. I don't know why. So this is Crackle Agate, brass faceted nugget link. Nugget link. So, can you see the crackles? So, like, they make this by, like, heating up the quartz and then adding a dye to it that gets into the cracks, which is really neat. It's really pretty. I like it. Ooh, and then we got some flowers here. These look like little enamel flowers. Enamel flower charms in crimson. 4 pieces for $1.99. I wish you could see all of them. But you can see this one. So that's pretty. It's giving like hibiscus, which is really nice. It goes with the whole tropical heat thing. Ooh. And then we have some crystal faceted bicone beads in tangerine. And these are like a hot tangerine. Like, that's a really spicy orange. And I love that. I feel like orange doesn't get enough representation in things. But I like that. I like that color a lot. So let's see. What's next? We got Malaysian jade dyed quartz. English cut round beads. So these are like faceted round beads, which are nice. It's interesting that a lot of these are just dyed quartz. Or a dyed, like, jasper. That's an interesting thing. And we have these little ovals. I've never seen these. Oval ring links. Do they link? No, they're just a solid oval. So you have to link stuff to them. Sorry, you guys couldn't see that because I was looking at them myself. But that's an interesting little thing. I don't have anything like this. So that's an interesting thing that I have to now, like, mull over. And then we also got 2 brass lobster claw clasp. And these ones are actually like the lobstery claw looking ones. Look at that. So those are cool. Those are definitely useful. And then we got some little rounds. Faceted rondelle spacer beads. 20 pieces. That's a lot of pieces. So those are nice too. And then we have crystal faceted octagon beads in opaque red AB. AB is the iridescent part. I don't know what it means or stands for. I just know when you see that, it means that it's all flashy and shiny. And those are pretty. I like that it covers like the spectrum of the colors that we've seen so far. There's like the reds and the yellowy golds, orangish, purplish colors. So that's really nice. Everything goes together really well here. And then we have some Crackle Agate round beads, 14.5 inches. That's a really good size of these too. And these are pretty. They're like little dragon eggs. And I like that. Very cool. And then, space. The last one we have is 6mm quartz dyed faceted cube beads in magenta. 6 inches for $7.99. So wow, these are fancy. Probably because of the way that they're cut. And see how shiny they are? So that's really pretty. These are like a really pretty pinkish, like pinkety pink, not like the corally pink colors that we had. So that's nice. So you can see here, got like a nice colorway of stuff. It's definitely on the theme, which I like. It's really timely for like Beltane, which just passed. These are probably the only ones that aren't like super synchronous because they're the actual like crystal, and most of these were dyed. I'm not upset about them being dyed. That doesn't bother me in the slightest. But it's interesting, just like the little difference in colors from like natural to unnatural. But these are really pretty. This is a nice set. This is just the beads that we got, like the beady beads. Oh, one more. Don't want to forget that guy. And then, oh, forgot those two. So yeah, that's a nice little set of beads. And then we got a nice little set of like findings to go with it. I was a little bit concerned when it said that it was beads and finding. It was going to be predominantly findings and then like a few beads, but it was predominantly beads and just a couple of findings. Like 5 out of 17 isn't so bad. We got 12 packs of beads. And it is really nice to have this little list here. I mean, back out a little bit. So like it is nice to have this little list here so you can like keep stock of what you got. Although it's on every single bag, so it's not really like a big deal. Oh, they give you the things here. Dyed is, D is dyed, H is heated. And then there's LF for lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. Ooh, I might be able to wear some of these. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Ooh, it's not nickel-free, so I can't wear this chain. But that is exciting. Also, these I can't wear. So far, oh, I can use these. And not these. So if I make something for myself, I can use these, which is nice. These I can't, but they'll go into other things. I'm not worried about that in the slightest. But it's nice to know the codes and what they mean. And then it's just the MSRP in the parentheses, so that's probably not going to reflect the actual price on their site because it's bargain beads, so they're cheaper probably, I'm assuming, but that's the actual like value of things. So the total retail value for the shipment is $77.83, which, considering I spent $22, is kind of a deal. And I feel like this was worth $22. This was a good mix of beads that I probably couldn't get at my local craft store for under $22 if I wanted to buy like all these pieces individually. Yeah, so that seems like a very fair, fun thing, and I kind of really like this. I like this colorway, so maybe if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll come back and make something with this. I have been doing a lot of jewelry-ish things lately on my own like personal side of things and also on my Patreon. Well, not like directly on my Patreon. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be on my Patreon this month. But I've been turning some of the stuff that I've been making into jewelry for myself because I want to. But let me know if you want to see me make a thing out of these. I don't know if I'll make just like charms or if I'll turn it into little jewelry pieces, but I could do that if there's interest. Here on the channel. I wish that at least one of these was just a pendant, like on its own, because they're all like double that way. I mean, I know I could just hang something off here and it would be done, but like I feel like these are like the little show pieces, so I don't know what I would hang off there. I haven't decided. I don't know. Now I'm just like trying to think of all the things I could make. But if you're interested in seeing me make something with the stuff I got in my bargain bead box, let me know and I'll do that here on the channel. Yeah, I think I'll get at least another one of these and just see if like the quality is consistent for, you know, month to month. And if I continue to like and enjoy it, then I will continue to get it and we'll just continue to unbox it together. Here, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye!